Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. In today's video, I'm going to make the good old classic humble carrot cake. Only my recipe has a couple of little twists, which is going to make sure that this ends up being the best carrot cake you've ever made. And it's coming right up. There is something so comforting about a big slice of carrot cake, and it's one of my favorites. So whenever I go out to a cafe, I often order it. But you know what? I find carrot cake can be really hit or miss. Sometimes they're fantastic, sometimes they're dry, and you can't have a dry carrot cake. So the recipe I'm sharing with you today is going to ensure it's going to be perfect and moist, not dry, I guarantee. Now I've got a little bit of, a couple of secrets I'm going to share with you today, which makes my carrot cake a little bit different to some others you may have tried. So the first thing is I like to add a little bit of crushed pineapple into my carrot cake because not only does it enhance the flavour, but that's the trick to making sure that carrot cake is super moist. The other thing that I do slightly differently is, traditionally carrot cake is made with walnuts. I'm not a walnut fan, but I love pecan nuts. So I have always made my carrot cakes on pecan nuts, and I find it's just tastier. You don't have to use pecan nuts, of course. If you're a walnut fan, go ahead and use walnuts, but they're my two little carrot cake secrets that make my recipe my own. The pecan nuts and the crushed pineapple. So the first thing we need to do, of course, is line our cake tin. Today I'm using a 24 centimeter cake tin. That's quite a big cake. You can get away with a 20 or 22 centimeter cake tin if that's all you've got, but you may just have to adjust your cooking time. Now the first thing I'm going to do is set my oven to 170 degrees Celsius, and then we're going to get started. So in a large mixing bowl, the first thing we do is we add our grated carrot. To this we then add some vegetable oil, followed by some vanilla extract. We're then going to add about half a cup of our chopped pecan nuts. And now for that little secret ingredient, my crushed pineapple. Then we're going to sift in some caster sugar, and we're going to lightly whisk a couple of eggs and add that to the mix as well. Now use your wooden spoon or spatula to give these ingredients a really thorough mix. Now for the dry ingredients, we're going to sift in some flour, and at this stage we're also going to sift in some bicarb soda, some ground ginger and ground cinnamon. And again, using your spoon or spatula, give these ingredients a really good mix so that it's really well combined. And that's it. You're going to pour this cake batter now into your prepared cake tin, and you're going to bake for about 50 to 60 minutes, of course depending on the size of your cake tin, so keep an eye until a skewer comes out clean when you've inserted it into the centre of your cake. While our cake is cooking, we can now move on to making a beautiful icing. So in a medium-sized bowl, I'm going to start with some icing sugar, and to this we're going to add some vanilla extract, followed by some butter and some softened cream cheese. We're going to add a little bit of liquid, a little bit of lemon juice to give this icing a lovely little zesty bite. And now using some electric beaters, we're going to just bring these ingredients together until they're beautiful and smooth, and that's it. Our icing is complete. Come and get it! Who wants carrot cake? This is smelling fantastic. My whole house smells fantastic. And now I just need some company. I can't have cake and tea on my own, so I might have to call up some friends to enjoy this with me. So I've just put that icing all over the top and the sides. I've taken my extra pecan nuts and I've gently pushed them into the sides just for a little bit of a decoration and a little bit of an extra crunch. So if you want to have a go at making my carrot cake recipe, then all you need to do is check out the description box below, because there you're going to find a link to my website. Once you're there, you can find the recipe, and it's only $1. You can pay by credit card or PayPal, and I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope this is one you're going to keep in your collection and keep returning to because your friends and family are going to love it. Don't forget, if you've loved this video, please give me a big thumbs up, or better still, if you haven't already, you must subscribe to my YouTube channel because then you always get a little notification every time I've just cooked something new. And I'll see you next time.